Hello, everyone. Congratulations to all the students who have qualified CMA final and CMA inter examinations. And this is a huge achievement. We are very proud of you. So, yes, now I'm here to share something very special with you all, which is coming Saturday, 23rd of August. We are organizing a grand event, which is BCCA Farstrom. And this is not just another event, but your moment to shine. Students from many places like Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh have already booked their tickets and they are coming for BCCA Farstrom, and we want you all to be part of that too. So yes, on this day of 23rd August, nothing but felicitation program of your CMA achievers. Uh, on this day, you will be getting honored on stage in front of 600 young aspiring CMAs. Just imagine the impact and imagine how your parents will be so proud of you getting honored in front of 600 many students, and that too with your faculties. So, yes, on this day, you will not only celebrate your success, but you will be inspiring and motivating many upcoming CMA professionals. So, yes, opportunities like this will not come again and again. You have worked very hard, and this is the time for receiving the rewards for those hard work. So yes, book your tickets now and do be part of BCCA Farstrom. This will be a lifetime memory. You can cherish this throughout your life because you are getting honored for your CMA qualification. So yes, if you are thinking of traveling and being part of our BCCA Farstrom, if you're coming through train, then your destination could be Vijayawada, Elur, or Nujibid. If you're coming through flight, then your airport destination will be Vijayawada Airport. If you are thinking of traveling through bus, then Vijayawada or Nujibid, anything can be a stop. So yes, I've already given and shared travel details also with you guys. So make time, make your plans, and do be part of our Firestorm, which is your honoring session. So yes, do not worry about arrangements. We will provide all the arrangement, nothing but your stay or your comfort. For comfort, everything we have already arranged and everything will be taken by our team. So you need not worry about anything. Just come and relax and be part and get honored for your hard work. So yes, we are so excited to celebrate your success on 23rd of August. We'll see you guys on Saturday. Till then, bye.